Hello everyone. Today my new presentation is about the solar system. So let's get started. It's by me, Safwan Kabir. At first, let us know what is the solar system. So the solar system is the gravitational bound between the sun and the planets. There are totally 8 planets in the solar system, except Pluto. And it's also including our Earth where we actually live. So this is our solar system. Next is comets. Comets are made up of nucleus of ice and dust. For example, these are comets which can be seen in the sky. It is also like a shooting star, but it's a sister body. Next are asteroids. Asteroids are made up of rocks that are present in the space, and they are very heavy and strong. Some asteroids are in the orbitals between the two planets in the solar system. Next, let's know what is actually a planet. Planet is also a celestial body which is present in the solar system. It includes life, as example, our Earth. So our Earth is also a planet. Let's go to the 8 planets. Okay. So at first, Mercury. Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun, and it's also the smallest planet in the solar system. It has no moon at all. The surface is wrinkled like the surface of the moon. The next is Venus. Venus doesn't have any moon or rings. Its size is nearly like Earth. Core and mantle are made up of iron and rocks. It has a silicate surface, and it orbits the opposite direction from the other planets. And the rain on Venus is of sulfuric acid. Next in the line is our Earth where we actually live. Our Earth has a powerful magnetic field. It's the only planet that's not named after a god, and except it, every planet is named after a god. Earth has only one moon. It's the most densest planet in the solar system. Mars has the largest dust storms in the solar system. Pieces of Mars have been also fallen to Earth. Mars has 2 moons, and in Mars there are a small amount of signs of liquid water. Jupiter. Jupiter is the biggest planet, and it is made up of rock, metal, and hydrogen compounds. It has a thin ring, 79 moons. Next is Saturn. Saturn is the second largest planet in the solar system after Jupiter. It has the densest ring of all planets, and its ring is made up of ice, dust, and rocks. Saturn is full of helium, and it is also preferred as the most beautiful planet for the scientists. It is also called the jewel of the solar system. I guess it's because of its beauty of its rings. Next in line is Uranus. Uranus is the coldest planet. It is referred as ice giant. Hydrogen and helium in the upper layer, and the core is made up of rocky ice, and it has 27 moons. Next is Neptune. Neptune is the last planet in the solar system. It is the most also distant planet from the sun. It has 6 fainted rings. It's the smallest gas giant. It rains diamonds, which is very interesting. And it has 14 moons. Now I'm going to talk about my favorite planet. My opinion, my favorite planet is Uranus. Uranus has a beautiful surface, and it also has a thin blue ring, which is not actually so much visible. It's a bit fainted, that's why you can't see it in bare eyes. All we need is a small microscope to look. Next, I'll be talking about some fun facts. So, Pluto was also once a planet, but then it was changed to a dwarf planet. Pluto was the smallest planet in the solar system, has nearly the same size as Earth's moon. There is no other living being in the solar system except our Earth, but bacteria and microorganisms can be found in other planets. The solar system was formed 4.6 billion years ago by a collapse of giant molecular clouds, like a supernova. 99.86% of the solar system's mass was found in the Sun. The remaining 0.4% is contained within the 8 planets, and it's very interesting. I also made a small quizzes. You have to guess. Which planet is referred as the jewel of the solar system? Answer is Saturn. Number 2. Which is the only planet which is not named after a god? The answer is Earth. Which is referred as the dwarf planet? Answer is Pluto. Next is the quiz about MCQ, not question answer. Guess that Saturday can be named after which planet? Mars, Saturn, or Sun? The answer is Saturn. Why is Pluto a dwarf planet? Because its size is the smallest, because it is 1/3 of water, because it doesn't complete the 3 characteristics as a planet. The answer is number C, which is because it doesn't complete the 3 characteristics as a planet. That's the conclusion. Thank you very much for watching my presentation. Bye, Safwan Kabir. Next, I'll come up with another interesting science presentation. For them, bye bye.